Looking to withdraw your cash back or refunds from Tabby? Here's how it works. First, it's important to know that Tabby is primarily a buy now, pay later service, not a digital wallet. This means you can't directly top up or withdraw cash from it. The money in your Tabby account typically comes from two places: refunds for returned items or cashback rewards from purchases. To access these funds, you need to initiate a withdrawal to your original payment method, like the bank account or card you used for the purchase. To do this, open the Tabby app and navigate to your wallet or balance section. Look for a withdraw or transfer option. You will then need to select your linked bank account or enter your details to specify where you want the money sent. A final important note: withdrawals are not instant. It can take several business days for the money to appear in your bank account, depending on their processing times. Always check Tabby's official policy for the most current information. Once processed, your money will be on its way back to you. Happy shopping!